Hyundai has refined its popular i20 N Line for 2025, offering a thrilling blend of sporty styling, dynamic performance, and advanced technology. This performance-inspired variant of the standard i20 brings race-inspired elements without sacrificing daily drivability. Targeting enthusiasts who want a hot hatch experience without stepping into full-fledged performance territory, the 2025 i20 N Line continues to stand out with its aggressive design, engaging handling, and feature-packed interior. The 2025 Hyundai i20 N Line features an athletic stance, with Hyundai's signature, sensuous sportiness design philosophy taking center stage. The updated front fascia gets a bold blacked-out grille with an N Line badge, sharp LED headlights, and a redesigned bumper with larger air intakes for a more aggressive look. At the sides, the i20 N Line flaunts sporty 17-inch alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, red brake calipers, and extended side skirts that enhance its aerodynamic appeal. The contrast black roof option adds a premium touch, while the bold character lines flowing across the body give it a dynamic presence. The rear is equally striking, featuring a revised bumper with a sporty diffuser, twin exhaust tips, and a roof-mounted spoiler that adds to its performance-oriented persona. The LED taillights are sleek and connected by a slim light bar, ensuring a modern and aggressive look from all angles. Step inside the i20 N Line, and the cabin immediately gives off a sporty vibe. The all-black interior is enhanced with red contrast stitching, an N-branded leather-wrapped steering wheel, and metal-finished sport pedals. The seats are ergonomically designed with integrated headrests and N Line badging, offering excellent support for spirited driving. The 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster provides crisp graphics and customizable driving information, while the similarly sized infotainment touchscreen comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Hyundai's BlueLink connected car services. The red ambient lighting further elevates the cabin's sporty appeal, creating a performance-oriented atmosphere. For added convenience, the i20 N Line includes a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and an upgraded Bose premium audio system for an immersive music experience. The 2025 Hyundai i20 N Line is powered by a 1.0-liter three-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing around 118 horsepower and 172 Nm of torque. This engine, paired with a 6-speed IMD, intelligent manual transmission, or a 7-speed DCT, dual-clutch transmission, delivers an engaging driving experience with quick gear shifts and smooth acceleration. Hyundai has fine-tuned the suspension and steering to offer better handling, making the N Line more responsive and agile around corners. The exhaust system has also been enhanced to provide a sportier sound, adding to the driving thrill. The lightweight body and well-balanced chassis ensure a fun-to-drive nature while maintaining efficiency. While the i20 N Line is designed for spirited driving, Hyundai has ensured that it remains comfortable for daily use. The suspension is slightly stiffer than the standard i20 but not too firm, offering a good balance between sportiness and ride comfort. The steering is precise, providing excellent feedback, while the tuned brakes offer strong stopping power. The car's aerodynamic design, coupled with its compact footprint, makes it perfect for city driving while also being capable of highway cruising. The twin-tip exhaust adds a sporty growl, giving the hatchback a lively character. Despite its sporty appeal, the i20 N Line remains fuel-efficient. The turbocharged engine delivers an estimated mileage of around 20 km per liter, making it a practical choice for those who want performance without excessive fuel costs. The DCT variant offers smooth shifts, optimizing fuel economy, while the IMT provides more control for enthusiastic drivers. Hyundai has equipped the i20 N Line with a comprehensive set of safety features. Standard offerings include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, are available in select markets, including features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, Blind spot monitoring. Autonomous emergency braking. The car also features a 360-degree camera in front and rear parking sensors for added convenience. Hyundai's robust build quality ensures that safety is a priority in this sporty hatchback. The 2025 Hyundai i20 N Line is expected to be offered in multiple variants, each catering to different budgets and feature preferences. The pricing will vary depending on the region, but it is likely to start around $22,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching $28,000 for fully loaded versions. The 2025 Hyundai i20 N Line strikes the perfect balance between sporty aesthetics, fun driving dynamics, and everyday usability. It's an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking for a performance-inspired hatchback without stepping into the high-cost hot hatch segment. With its aggressive styling, engaging handling, feature-rich cabin, and efficient turbocharged engine, the i20 N Line remains one of the best options in the compact sporty hatchback category. Would you choose the Hyundai i20 N Line over its competitors, or do you prefer a different performance hatch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.